This video is a guide on creating charcloth and char materials used for making it easier to start fires. Charcloth is excellent for starting fires because it ignites easily and burns at a lower temperature, making it highly effective for catching sparks and transferring them to tinder. Its porous structure allows it to catch fire quickly, providing a reliable source of ignition even in adverse weather conditions. Charcloth can be easily carried and stored, making it a convenient tool for outdoor enthusiasts, survivalists, and campers. You will need a small metal container with a tight-fitting lid, such as an Altoids tin, small metal cans, or boxes. It needs to be durable enough to withstand the high temperatures required for the charring process. Make a small hole in the lid. This will allow gases to escape during the charring process and let you gauge proper burn time. When the flame or smoke from the hole goes out, it signals that the char material is ready, removing any guesswork from the process. To make the hole so the container doesn't dent in or collapse, open the lid and place it upside down on a stump, then punch a hole through the lid. This shoe polish tin already had a small hole in the lid, so I just made it a bit bigger. Choose a natural woven fabric like cotton or linen. Avoid synthetic fabrics as they do not char well and will just melt. Make sure the container is clean and free of any debris. Fill it with fabric loosely packed to allow airflow. Avoid compacting the fabric too tightly and aim to fill the container to about 75 to 80% capacity. Place the sealed container in a campfire or on a camp stove, ensuring there's good ventilation around the container. Heat it over the fire until you see smoke or fire coming out of the hole on the lid. This indicates that the fabric inside is charring. Remove the tin when the smoke has stopped coming out. This indicates that the charring process is complete. Allow the container to cool completely before opening it. This may take several minutes. Open the container and inspect the fabric. It should be completely black and brittle. If it's still flexible or has any signs of color, it may need more time to char. Once cooled, transfer the charcloth to a clean, airtight container for storage to maintain its effectiveness. Apart from fabric, other common materials used for making char for fire starting include punkwood, dried grass, and certain types of fungi. Punkwood is a type of wood that has undergone partial decay due to fungus and other kinds of decomposition. It is lightweight, porous, and often appears spongy and crumbly, making it a good choice for char material. Here's how you can use aluminum foil as the container to make char material. Start with a large piece of aluminum foil and fold it in half. Place the material you want to char in the center of the foil. Fold the foil over the material to create a packet, ensuring that the edges are tightly sealed to prevent oxygen from entering. Place the foil packet in the fire or heat source, making sure it's positioned where it can heat evenly. Allow the packet to heat until it starts producing smoke, indicating that the charring process has begun. Keep the packet in the heat source until the smoke stops, indicating that the material has been charred completely. Remove the packet from the heat source and allow it to cool completely before opening it. When using a ferro rod, you can make some shavings onto the charcloth to make it easier to ignite. Since char made from punkwood can be quite crumbly, it's best to ignite it by directing sparks into the char tin containing the charred wood. Then transfer a piece of ignited char into a tinder bundle and blow gently until a flame ignites. You can use a 100% natural fiber rope to make char rope. This char rope may burn longer than charcloth due to its denser composition and larger surface area. A longer lasting ember can make it easier to ignite a tinder bundle for fire starting. If the char material is not fully carbonized, you can try returning it to the fire until it reaches full carbonization. You can use char materials to start a fire and then use that fire to make more char materials, ensuring a sustainable source of fire starting when you want to make a fire again. Since all we need is one spark to ignite the char material, this lets us extend the use of our other fire starting resources. For example, an empty lighter can serve as a handy tool to ignite charcloth, and once ignited, you can transfer the charcloth to a tinder bundle to kickstart a fire. Charcloth and char material can last for years if stored properly in a dry and airtight container.